Prime Minister Modi is your Prime Minister, not Pakistan's Prime Minister. We don't get any dictation from him. We know his credentials. We know his anti-Pakistan credentials. Now, it may be a red line for you that people of Pakistan, Prime Minister of Pakistan or the Foreign Secretary should not meet the APHC. That is not our red line. We do not follow your red line. They must meet. I would say that Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif, when he went to India, should have met the APHC leaders. Why is that a red line? There is a dispute, internationally recognized by the United Nations. And we, myself and Prime Minister Manmohan Singh and Vajpayee, were discussing Kashmir. I used to meet APHC leaders every time. So why is there a change of heart? That itself shows and proves the anti-Pakistan credentials of Prime Minister Modi. Now, if that be so certainly it's a confrontationist course. He's taking a confrontationist course with Pakistan. So this red line that he's declared is confrontationist, certainly. It is not peaceful. And when you say that he had invited Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif, Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif invited him to Pakistan. He didn't come. So why should Prime Minister
Nawaz Sharif was not Prime Minister.
Keen on running and
Nawaz
going to
Sharif
India?
became Prime Minister long before Narendra Modi got elected to office. He's become Prime Minister of India only in May. Nawaz Sharif was elected before that. You're saying that Modi has confrontationist intent. Now you have no evidence again to back this. Remember, Prime Minister Modi is the one who invited Nawaz Sharif.
All his speeches. I think let's not. If you deny something, if you call it's sunlight outside and if you say it's dark outside, what can I say? He's been talking all over the world. We know his speeches. We know what he talks about Pakistan. His latest speeches of such aggressive speeches against Pakistan, I mean that they'll teach us a lesson and all that. These are, what are we talking, Rahul? I mean, let's not live in a fool's paradise. And we are also not asleep here. We are listening to what he says. We are seeing what he is doing.